This is a user case from Daimler in Mexico. And what we are doing here is to replace the older magnetic AGVs with the FlexCube Navigator and the towing load carrier. So in total, we have 4 navigators and 4 towing load carriers. So you can see the system on the picture in the center, and you can see example of the cart that we move. And the process here is a very typical application for FlexCube, where we move material from a kitting area out to different locations on the assembly line. So you can take the next slide. So in this user case, we operate on a long route. So it's a one-way aisle with one-way traffic. And we have 3 different sections. You have one section where the kit carts are loaded with material. And then you have one section where the material is fed to the assembly line. So we go to the assembly line, we stop at specific stations, and at that station, the towing robot is automatically unhitching the carts, and then the assemblers come and pick up the material. And they also attach the empty carts that will follow the red route back to the kitting area. So it's a very repeating process. And in order to optimize utilization that we discussed earlier, we also have inductive charging. And this is from the floor, which means that we are not utilizing or wasting any capacity of the robot for charging. This is done during the process, which is a very feasible technology for towing applications, because you always have, or in most of the cases, has a defined route. So from a customer value perspective, of course, it's safety and efficiency, and also in terms of maintenance compared to older equipment. And with the AMR that can couple with different type of load carriers, there is also flexibility for the customer to add different type of user cases in the future.